Namaskar, dear friends and colleagues. I congratulate all of you on this special occasion of SESA Goa Day 2020. We started our journey way back in 1953, and we, as SESA family, added another glorious year to the rich legacy of our esteemed organization. It is a day to cherish our splendid success and sow the seeds to achieve the bigger milestone. A day to acknowledge the efforts of our visionary pioneers and all the leaders whose valuable contribution is instrumental in achieving the glory with utmost focus on excellence, continuous improvement, sustainability and care. On this occasion, I once again reiterate that safety and sustainability is our topmost priority, and we remain committed to ensure zero harm, zero waste and zero discharge. We as a family are accountable to strictly adhere to our core values and lead the way towards successful future with utmost focus on care, safety and responsible stewardship. I am glad to announce that this year we have added another feather in our cap with successful acquisition of FACOR, Ferro Alloy Corporation Limited. It will help us to further expand our business portfolio and venture into an area of ferroalloy business. I would like to appreciate each one of you for showing enormous resilience during turbulent business time coupled with unprecedented situation posed due to COVID-19 pandemic. We as a team has once again proved that we together can defy any odds and bounce back very strong. We are extremely hopeful of the positive news on Goa mining very soon. We at SESA strongly believe that every success of the organization is the result of dedicated efforts and relentless contribution from our experienced and talented pool of employees. Sheer passion and the strong bond of belongingness we all share is what is the real spirit behind our accomplishment. Vibrancy among the workforce is of paramount importance to keep up the pulse to overcome any tough situation. I strongly urge all our leaders to work towards making this organization a hugely vibrant one. Our constant endeavor is to remain as market leader and be among the most sustainable organization across globe. Let us unite on this amazing occasion and doubly re-energize ourselves for further fast-track growth in order to set the path for the next generation of SESA to come and to fulfill the vision of our chairman. I express my sincere gratitude to all of you and our first generation for being equal partners in massive success of SESA Goa. Wishing you all a very happy and proud SESA Goa Day.